Here it is, the radically new and undeniably different 2025 Audi Q3, and it is not just another SUV. This edition is a perfect blend luxury and innovation together with power and speed that totally alters the rules of the game. So let's continue with the new astounding features and the new surprising price. Wait, there is more at the end. New 2025 Audi Q3 is designed in a sporty manner and comes with a splendid blue color on the exterior. It has a sharp, aggressive, large octagonal frame grille with horizontal slim bars on the front, with smooth, powerful LED headlights. The style of this car looks rather aggressive. The front bumper is widened and the air intakes are vast. The lines of the hood are more aerodynamic, and this underlines the solidity of the model. Aerodynamic contours, responsive steering, sleek body styling and structures, a stylish muscular, and fuel injection and fully synchronized 5-speed gear, making it powerful and comfortable with elegant multi-spoke alloy wheels that set the final tone to the sophisticated look. Performance-wise, the 2025 Q3 is a game-changer. The flagship variant is powered by a 2.5L turbocharged 5-cylinder engine that delivers a thrilling 400 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds, an impressive leap from previous models. With the Quattro all-wheel drive system and enhanced suspension, the Q3's handling and dynamics are improved. Sport mode adds a firmer suspension setup and quicker steering response for a more engaging driving experience. Concerning the price, the basic version will most likely cost around €40,000 for the European market, while the top trim levels can go over €55,000. New styling, upgraded interior, and impressive engine lineup in the 2025 Audi Q3 should help attract automotive enthusiasts to include more compact SUVs from the esteemed Audi lineup.